Wait, hold on a sec. Stop! Sorry for the mistake anyways. What does it say here? TYSN for 2,000 subscribers? First of all, what does the TYSN stands for? Huh? Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I don't know anymore. Oh. Wait. Is this considered a 200 subscriber special? Yeah. You know what? Let me just try this again. You know, let me just remove that. Sorry. Well, let me just... Oh, sure, I forgot to put the name from the title of this. Yeah, let me just fix it. You know what? Let me just do something. Let me just try this again, shall we? Hey guys! Have you guys have you guys heard of a roller coaster? You again? And also, what is that thing on your back? Oh, this is a black boxer. Hi. So, do you want a roller coaster? I mean, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna show it for you. Black boxer, do something. Yes, sir. Okay, great. Now we must go. Come here. So, can I see it? Okay. Black boxer, do something with the roller coaster. Actually, you're not facing at me. Oh, okay, my bad. Can you add a roller coaster for them? Okay. Well, here I go. Oh, I just made a mistake. Sorry. What even is this supposed to be? He's trying to generate something like a roller coaster. How does it even work? Well, any second now. Hello? Let me just zoom the camera out. There you go. What the? How did he store the big chunk of the roller coaster? Maybe he has a magic sack in his stomach? Well, maybe just a little bit broken, so let me just send it to a doctor because I think he had enough just for storing a whole roller coaster. Anyways, goodbye. That's really awkward. Anyways, how am I supposed to get all over there, dude? I can't even get over there. You know what? Let me just... Wait, there's another door? Get in now. Get in. Now. Not this again. Sorry. Whoa. Isn't this a little bit too small for us? Okay, my friend. Come on, guys. Go, 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 go. Whee! Hey, wait for me. Wait for me. Ah, come on. What? Why am I going back? Aren't I supposed to go like this? I don't know, but watching student TVs. Oh no! 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 What have I done? Come on, Tigger, let's go with me. Okay. Okie dokie. Whee! What about me? And me! And me! With our team. Huh? So, are we supposed to get over here? Wait, but first I'm just Let's do something like, yeah. What? I see you need to get over here, like, just at a platform for no reason at all. What is that? A platform? It can't move. Okay, never mind, it can. Oh my gosh! What? Why? What are you? Get over here now. Oh no! What have I done? No, this is even worse. Come on. So what now? Okay, so we're gonna go here. I don't know. Okay, so what now? Well, we're in a roller coaster. Anyways, why are arms attached? So it's to prevent yourself from falling. Wait, what if we just, what about ropes? Just make us shake. Well, whatever. Oh my gosh, I'm too big for that. Anyways, 3, 2, 1, go. Wow! Mistake. We made a mistake. Let's go. Whoa. So much fun. Wow! Oh no, this is the worst. We have the wheel. The wheel. No. Oh. Ow. Wow, this is so fun. Can we try it again? Yes. Whee! Whoa, wait. Let me just. And nothing but the value was lost. Hey, what about our turn? You are now going to the roller coaster. Goodbye, suckers. Can I get to the roller coaster as well? Maybe later. Okay. Are we there yet? Yeah, we're there yet. Go. Hey! So, you wanna go to the roller coaster? Yeah. How am I still here? Just get me out already.
I'm gonna just shut
up. So, what now? Oh, I forgot to. Okay, much better. So, what do we do now?
Let me look at it.
Oh my gosh, so many mistakes. What do we do now? Well, suddenly. I'm just gonna go now. Oh, hello there. So, are you a dermatologist? No, I'm a nurse. So, can you please help me fix this guy? Like, it looks like that his system is broken. Okay, let me just. Hmm? Hey! Are you there yet? But what about this girl over there? What about this girl over there? Sylvester, what are you doing here? I mean, I just seen a nurse. I don't know. She must be right over here. Thank you. You know what? I don't know anymore. Oh, my head. I might be wondering, where's the nurse? Oh, look, the nurse is right here. Hello, nurse. Hi. What are we gonna do today? Nothing. Huh. Well, before I end this video, thank you guys for 200 subscribers and goodbye. The end. I have no idea how to say more of this, so the end.